Hi, my name is Heather Murphy and this is my Module 1 introduction video. I graduated from Kansas Wesleyan University with my bachelor's in education and I played tennis while I was there, and then I went and got my first job at Eisenhower Elementary in Wellington, Kansas. I teach second grade and I just finished up my second year of second grade. I teach in an open classroom concept, so another second grade teacher and me are in the same room, and so we kind of really collaborate and we teach both second grades together. So while I have roughly about 19 to 25 students each class, since we teach all the students together, I like to say I have about 50 students. There's 4 elementary schools in Wellington, 1 middle school, and 1 high school. We are doing the redesign for Kansas. We're one of the 7 schools for the Mercury redesign. Other news, I recently got married in September, so that's kind of new. And then technology-wise in the classroom, I've used like the Promethean boards, Active Inspire, Flipgrid, things like that, and programs that our school uses, so FastBridge, Dreambox, Reflex, Reading A to Z. So I'm kind of familiar with technology, but I'm definitely not a pro and could really still learn a whole bunch of things. So in this class I'm really excited because next year we're going one-to-one on Chromebooks, so I'm really excited to learn different programs or technology things that I can implement into my classroom next year. I'm excited to learn just different things about technology and the best way to implement them into the classroom, and also to learn from my peers and my instructor different things that they know about technology, because like I said, I'm not a pro in technology. I know how to use some of the stuff, but I definitely could use a lot of learning and growth. So I'm really excited to get this started and to learn some new things about technology. Thank you for watching.